Thousands of people gathered at Idukki Government Engineering College and during the funeral procession to pay last respects to SFI activist Dheeraj Rajendran, who was stabbed on Monday. Family members, relatives, and others struggled to hold back their tears as Dheeraj's body was brought to his home, Advaitam, in Taliparamba at around midnight 12:30. Thousands of people flocked to Dheeraj's home and various centers at which the body was kept for the public to pay homage. CPM workers led by District Secretary M.V. Jayarajan received the body from the Mahi Bridge on the Kannur district border. CPM State Secretary Kodiyari Balakrishnan and other prominent leaders paid their last respect at Malapparamba in Kozhikode city at 8:30 pm. The body was also kept at the Taliparamba KKN Pariyaram Memorial Hall for the public to pay homage. Following this, the body was taken to the CPM Taliparamba Area Committee office. The funeral will be held at a land near Dheeraj's home. For this, the CPM bought 8 cents of land near his house. CPM has also decided to build a memorial at this place. Meanwhile, Congress leader and Mandalam Secretary C.C. Ramesh had a narrow escape after assailants threw a bomb at his house. The incident took place at Chakkarakil in Kannur. The door of the house and a washing machine were destroyed in the attack. Meanwhile, a mourning procession carrying the body of slain SFI activist Dheeraj reached his home in Kannur on Tuesday. The search is still on to locate the knife used by the accused to kill Dheeraj. Police are taking evidence with the main accused Nikhil Paili. The search is conducted near the Idukki Collectorate. A search was conducted on Tuesday, but the knife could not be found. Dheeraj was stabbed by Nikhil with this knife. He had pleaded guilty. Nikhil has also been charged with murder. Defendants will be produced in court after taking evidence. Besides Nikhil Paili, Youth Congress leader Jarin Jojo was also nabbed on Tuesday. Both will be produced before the Idukki Judicial First Class Magistrate Court. Dheeraj Rajendran, 21, a Students' Federation of India activist of Taliparamba, Kannur, was stabbed to death and 2 others were injured following a clash with KSU activists at Idukki Government Engineering College on Monday. Police said tension was prevailing in the college over union elections. Dheeraj was a 7th semester BTech student and an SFI college unit member. Even though he was rushed to Idukki Medical College Hospital after the incident, his life could not be saved. Nikhil Paili, the president of the Youth Congress Mandalam Committee, had admitted to stabbing and killing SFI worker Dheeraj. He confessed to stabbing Dheeraj to the police. 6 more people were arrested and were questioned by police in connection with the investigation. Nikhil Paili was apprehended by the police while attempting to flee in a bus from Karimanal in Idukki. However, the state police chief informed that it is difficult to confirm whether it was an orchestrated murder or not. News Desk, Kaumudy Global.